Zeusy. Zeus, show him your face. There you go. Show him your face. Show him how cute you are. Yes, he likes rolling on the concrete in the sunlight, just like all cats do. Zeus. He certainly likes human attention. He's simply not a standoffish cat. If I leave, he'll follow me until he gets to my yard, and then he'll pause, and then he'll start meowing, wanting me to come back and pet him and scratch him. Anyway, he's a friendly cat. Zeus, show me your face. There you go. That's Zeus. Here, I'll put my foot out there. See? Zeus. So he wants to get scratched.